guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this fall makeup look. I used one of Jaclyn Hill's Vaults palettes with Morphe. Yeah, I think it's perfect for the fall. Before we get on to the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new and like this video. And if you guys would like to learn how I created this look, then go ahead and keep on watching. Now for this look, I'm going to be using the Morphe Jaclyn Hill Vault. And I'm using the Armed and Gorgeous, which is this palette right here. And this is just so beautiful. It literally screams like fall, and I am so tempted to do like a smoky eye with this, but that's not what we're going to do today. We're actually going to do this look right here. I did use some of the green on there just because I wanted to use it, but I will be doing a video using that green like a smoky eye. So, but not today. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. So for the first shade, I'm going to take a Morphe M511. And I'm taking a little mixture of these two right here. So this one and this one. Access and Secure. And I'm taking that on my crease. Oh, you know what? I'm so stupid. I forgot to prime my eyelid. Like, oh my goodness. Idiot. So I'm using the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion in Eden. Just gonna put that all over. And then I'm buffing that out with this Real Techniques brush. I'm taking Access and Secured, and I'm taking that onto my crease. So circular motions. I'm going to take it all the way into the inner corner and then the outer corner as well. And I'm taking this pretty high up into my brow bone. You want to make sure you really bring it into the inner corner and outer corner for when we go ahead and cut the crease. Now for the second shade, I'm taking this Morphe R40 brush. It's a little bit more tapered than the last one. And I'm taking the shade Agent, this color right here. And I'm going to go ahead and place that around the same part. So in my crease as well. And we're just building the definition on our eye. In this one, I'm really working it into my inner corner and outer corner. Now I'm taking a Morphe M441, which is this brush right here, and this is just a little bit smaller and a lot more tapered. And I'm taking Smooth Criminal, which is this brown, light brown right here. And again, I'm taking that right where I took that other shade, and we're just building up the definition as well. So I'm bringing it into my crease. I'm going to bring you guys in a little closer. There you go. I think I was too far out. And I'm really bringing it into the inner corner, just because when we go ahead and cut our crease, I want to make sure that it's really nice and defined. Now I'm taking the Morphe M514, which is this tiny brush, and as you can tell, I'm going smaller to smaller to smaller brush, just because I want to get really precise in my crease. And I'm taking this shade right here, which is Prowl, which is the darkest brown in the palette. And again, taking that on my outer corner. And then bringing it into my crease. And working it into my inner corner. So I'm going to go ahead and take the previous brush and I'm just going to blend that out. Alrighty. So now I'm going to go ahead and do a half cut crease like I did on this side right here. I'm going to do this off camera just because I always do it in every single video and I don't want to make this too long and boring. So you see me do this countless of times. And I'll be right back. So I have cut to my crease. Now I'm going to go ahead and take this shade right here called Classified. This one right here. And I'm going to go ahead and start working that on the inner part of my lid. So I'm going to place that. And I'm just tapping it just because the concealer is still wet. So I have left this little area empty because instead of bringing it all the way out, I'm going to take this shade right here called Top Secret. So I'm going to go ahead and place that on that part that I had left without the shade. So just like that. Now I'm going to go ahead and take some of that Classified shade and I'm just going to bring it in there just to try to blend it out. And then I'm just going to take a little bit more of that. And we just want to work with these colors back and forth just so we can get that little gradient going. So once that's set like that, I'm going to go ahead and take my M514 with the darkest brown on the palette, which is this one right here. And I'm going to go ahead and place it on the outer corner. And that's just to darken it up a bit and also diffuse those shades. Just like that. Alright, so now I'm going to do a liner, but I'm not going to wing it out. I'm just going to do a thin line on my lash line, and that's just going to be for the lashes. Now I'm going to go ahead and pop on the other lash, and I'll be back to finish the rest of my face. So I have done most of my makeup off camera just because I use the same products as well and I didn't want to make this video boring. For bronzer, I'm going to use my Morphe Duo in Celebutante. I'm using this Morphe M530 and I'm dipping into the lighter shade right here. Now with a smaller brush, I'm going to get my nose. Now I'm taking this larger brush, the R7, and I'm going to go ahead and dip just into both on here. And then I'm going to go over all of what I did. Forehead. And my jaw. I'm taking this Laura Geller blush that came in my BoxyCharm. Looks like this. And this is in Tropic Hues. Alrighty. Now for highlight, I'm taking two highlighters actually. I'm going to do the Physicians Formula in Pearl, and I'm also going to do my Anastasia Amrezy. I used this in my last video and I absolutely loved it. It was like so blinding. I do want to add a hint of gold on it, so that's why I'm using this one. So I'm going to go in with the Physicians Formula first. Oh no, I almost dropped it. I'm going with a small brush because I'm going to do my inner corner. And then I'm going to do a little bit on my nose. And my Cupid's bow. Now I'm taking this little brush right here. And I'm doing my cheek. And now I'm taking the Amrezy one right on top of that. And then I'm also going to take some of this on my brow bone. Just a little. I'm going to use some of this MAC Fix Plus. Now I'm going to go ahead and work on my lower lash line. I'm going to use all the shades except the gold one that I did. Now I'm going to do lower lash mascara. Oh, I forgot to do eyeliner. So I'm doing some black eyeliner on my waterline. So I'm using this Milani lip pencil in nude to line my lips. And then I'm going to take this Melted Chocolate Too Faced little lipstick. And this is Chocolate Honey. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and comment down below anything that you would like to see from me next. And I hope you loved this look as much as I did. So yeah, I'll see you guys on my next video.